Everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to go back to sneakers. And it's going to be a really awesome pair because this is a shoe that I didn't expect would be nice. I mean, I bought it because it looked like it's the type of shoe that I would wear. Kind of chunky, like me. But at the same time, I had a feeling that, hey, it might be comfortable because of the name. Now, I put it on feet for this review and man, I am completely blown away by how comfortable this sneaker is. So if you are looking for a shoe that's a bit on the chunky side, but delivers exceptional comfort and still being lightweight, this is the video for you. Guys, this is my unboxing and on-feet review of the Nike Air Zoom type. Let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I recently just announced a new giveaway. So if you didn't watch the video last night, it's like the unboxing of a haul of sneakers and gadgets. Please do check it out. I will put a link pinned in the comment section as well as the description box. In Tagalog, sa mga hindi nakakaintindi, yung link ng mechanics ng giveaway nasa baba. Kailangan nyo i-click, kailangan nyo panoodin para makita nyo at marinig ninyo yung mechanics. Good luck. Now, when you think of chunky shoes or dad shoes or ugly dad shoes or whatever it is that you would call them, you'd probably think of the sneakers like the one from Balenciaga, which is the Track Triple S sneakers or the Triple S. I have the Track version 2.0 over here, which was a gift from the wife. You also have, of course, the Fila Disruptor, which was like the mainstream dad shoe or ugly sneaker. Then, of course, you would have the Yeezys. This, of course, is the Yeezy V2 Static, my favorite Yeezy to date, apart from the Oxford Tans. And we also have, of course, the Yeezy 700 MNVNs. And if you want to go, well, Skechers, you have the D-Lights. This is the collaboration with the anime One Piece. And normally, you wouldn't associate, maybe apart from the Air Monarch, dad shoes and chunky sneakers with Nike. But this one, man, this one is just really nice. This is like the most comfortable chunky shoe I've worn so far. And like what I mentioned earlier, it's called the Nike Air Zoom type, which is part of their type lineup, which is like the deconstructed or experimental version of different silhouettes of sneakers. So it comes in your typical type box, and then we get to the shoe. Whew, ba-bam! Okay, so this one we really have to take a closer look. I'll start with the overall profile of the shoe. So it is hella chunky. It has a very wide base and it also has a very roomy upper. In terms of the materials, you have some sort of like light fine suede material for the upper, which in itself for me is a win. So you guys know I love suede. This patch over here where the laces are is made out of leather. Suede at the back, leather patch near the heel, and then you have some sort of like double midsole thing going on. So you have one over here, which is this thick stack, and then you have another one over here, and then you have like air unit over here, which is the exposed Air Zoom bag. And then again, like what I mentioned earlier, take a look at how wide that base is. I think it's because of the dual air. So one over here and then one over here. And man, it is just a weird looking shoe. But if you put it on feet, it actually looks nice, maybe because the color is something that's easy to wear. It's primarily like a white/beige shoe. You have the swoosh over here. It's some sort of like pattern. Of course, you have the criss-crossing exposed stitching. Now, the shoe immediately looks comfortable just by looking at it because of that thick foam double stack midsole over here, and of course the air unit. But I can tell you now, guys, this is insanely comfortable. I mean, I will say it off the bat, this is the most comfortable chunky sneaker or dad shoe or ugly shoe that I have ever worn, period. It beats the Yeezys, it beats obviously the Filas, it beats everything else that I've tried in the past if we will just base it on comfort. I think Nike knocked it out of the park with the implementation of the midsole, the different technologies they put together to be able to give you cushioning. How does it feel? I know that I say that the React Air Force One feels like you're walking on Tempur pillows. If there's a level beyond that, that's what you get with this. The issue with the Air Force One React is that it has some sort of tendency to become warm. I don't know why. At least I get that feeling. Maybe because of the majority leather, while there is a breathable mesh compared to all leather Air Force Ones. This one, you get that sinking feeling. You get that support because of the air bubbles over here. Plus, it is far more breathable because of the perforations. You can actually see over here at the toe box, you have multiple perforations, which makes the sneaker a little bit more breathable, letting the air, pass through. So it's a little bit more cooler, especially if you are in warm weather locations. So if you are looking for a Nike shoe that's on the chunky side, that's ridiculously comfortable, this is the sneaker that you definitely have to go for. I'll put a link down below on where you can buy it from the Nike Philippines website. So just click at it, buy it if you want it. It will get shipped to you guys fast if you use express shipping. I'm not too sure how long it takes if it's normal shipping, but it should be much faster than Adidas with the current rate of how slow Adidas is when it comes to shipping from their Adidas Philippines website. It also comes in two colorways. This is the one that I picked up, which is the white version. For me, easier to wear. There is a black version with, I think it's a Volt, which you can also consider if you're looking for a darker shade of a chunky, comfortable shoe. I know it's not for everybody. I know some of you will hate it because it's chunky and it's weird. But for those who like this kind of style, man, you guys will love this. And to those who hate it, I just have one thing to tell you guys. In Tagalog, we say, in Filipino, we say, walang basagan ng trip. In English, I think that basically just translates to each his own. Now, before we end the vlog for today, I want to share two more things with you guys. So I recently shot quick footage of a new smart trash can from Xiaomi that I recently bought. It's on my Facebook. It's not here on YouTube. So what I'll do now is I'll transition to that clip just so you guys see what I bought recently. It's like the smartest trash can ever that you'll ever find. Really dope. And then I'll share with you also a nice carrying bag that's from a local brand that's a really cool take on a modern day clutch bag. And then we'll end the vlog there. So with that said, we'll cut to the clip from me talking about the trash can, and then we'll go back here. I'll talk about the clutch bag, and then we'll end the vlog from there. So let's check out the trash can. So this is actually the Xiaomi Smart Bin or Townsend or something. I'll link it down below if ever you guys want to buy it. Now this is one of the most outrageous trash cans or trash bins that you will find today. First, it has a sensor. So if you move your hand up like that, what? So it opens up. And it actually has preloaded trash bags inside. And when the trash bag is full, it will automatically close it and wrap it and tie it. So all you have to do is to pull out the trash can, the black plastic, and then throw it out and then replace the cartridge after. It is insane. So what I'll do now is I'll do a quick demo how it works. Again, if you want to buy one, I'll put the link down below so you can click it and buy it on Lazada if ever you feel like getting yourself the world's most insanely cool tech trash can. What? That is just insane, guys. So take a look at it. So it actually wrapped the paper bag. So everything is here and it tied it by itself. Now I'm trying to figure out how I'm supposed to take it out. So I guess I'm just supposed to boom. New cartridge. What? So there you have it, a quick demo of the Xiaomi Townsend trash bin, smart trash can. So it has motion sensor, and it also automatically closes and ties the trash bin after you finish using it. By the way, take note that the cartridge is reloadable. I'm just not sure how many trash cans there are in one cartridge, but you can easily buy new ones if you run out. So that's the only downside of this smart trash can. And of course, you have to plug it, which is kind of weird because you're already plugging everything. Now you have to plug your trash can. But yeah, so guys, if you want one, link down below over at Lazada. Okay, as promised, we have one more item that I want to share with you guys in today's episode. So this is actually the Cradle, which is from a local brand called Laro.ph. So it's kind of like a modern day clutch bag that you can use to put different items and you just carry it along with you in a manly way. So it's not like a man bag or a merce. So the great thing about this one is that you have this leather panel at the top of the lid. It's also, I think, magnetized. So yeah, so it's magnetized over there. And you can put SD cards over here, or you can also, the lining for the interior is suede, some sort of like night blue color. And then, felt for the interior. Oh, this is really good quality. So this is something that you can use, well, as suggested, that you can put your Nintendo DS in, or a bunch of gadgets that you have with you. Yeah, so yeah, it's a really nice product. And again, best thing about it is that it's local. So this one is in black. This one has like a brown leather top. This one is also oh no, this is blue. I just can't see it properly. So this one is some sort of like dark blue. This one is all black. So if you guys want to check them out and support a local brand, please do check out larobags.ph that's for their Instagram handle. That's their Facebook. So yeah, go check them out. So this one, really nice. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode for today. We talked about the really awesome sneakers from Nike, which is the Nike Air Zoom Type. Really loving the Type series, especially since they came out with the Air Force One Type. I still have the Air Force One Type 2. Really fantastic shoe. But anyway, super fan of the Type series. We also talked about the Xiaomi Smart Trash Can, which is, like what I mentioned earlier, insanely dope. And we took a look at that awesome Filipino brand, like clutch bag, modern take on the clutch bag. Ballistic material, I think ballistic nylon. Same material that used by Tumi, if I'm not mistaken. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode for the day. I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. If you're not, chin up. Things will get better. Things always get better. You just need to hang in there, pray, and of course, look to positive things and look to your friends, family, and loved ones. So that said, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.